It is officially summer, which means it is also watermelon season, one of my favorite fruits. Nutrition educator Lynn Matava shows us a few ways we can make the most out of the popular fruit. Check it out.
Watermelon. It is a delicious, much anticipated summer produce item, and it'll be coming local to the shore anytime now. And I want you to be completely honest with me and yourself here. How many times have you had one of these second half the watermelon left over, and you either need to find someone to share it with or find something to do with it? These tend to sit in my fridge for a few days. Everybody gets really excited when you first cut open the watermelon, and then we have this left. So what I'm going to show you is a few things that you can do to use up the rest of this delicious, nutritious watermelon. So the first thing I'm going to show you today is a salad that you can make. And you may have seen this on menus before and been afraid to try it. Sometimes you'll see it on a summer menu. I'm just putting a little bit of watermelon in a bowl. I got a little shocked this morning when my seedless watermelon had quite a few seeds in it. Sometimes that happens. And then we're gonna do a watermelon tomato salad. So just slicing up some fresh tomato to throw in there. You might think it's an odd combination, but it's kind of savory sweet. It's very delicious. It's very fresh. Some of the best flavors of summer combined together. Push all the rest off to the side for now. You could use lemon juice here. You could use a little bit of vinegar. I've got a white balsamic, and I just think it really does nice things with fruit if I can get the lid off. So I'm just gonna drizzle just a little of that over the salad. Just a little bit of olive oil, not much. And sprinkle of salt. A little bit of pepper and some sort of cheese. I'm using feta. This would be really good with fresh mozzarella cubed up. You use what you have in the fridge, right? Use up what you have, which is the message for today, the theme. And then I am going to add just a little bit of fresh cut basil in there. And there you have it. You could serve this over some lettuce. You could serve it as is, but it's just a nice, refreshing, delicious thing you can do. And now I've saved my personal favorite for last. What we are going to do is make a refreshing water here, a refreshing beverage with the watermelon. Now you could just put watermelon in a pitcher and have some infused water, maybe a little mint. It's delicious. But I'm going to show you another one of my favorite little kitchen hacks while we're doing this. We're going to make this little smoothie. And if you have an old-fashioned blender at home, you can take this bottom part off, and it actually fits perfectly around a ball jar, which is great because then you could take this with you, a canning jar. You could take this with you and have a little drink for the road. You could use a smaller size of one of these too. So I'm going to throw my watermelon in there. Fill this about 3/4 full. And you could use water at this point. I am using some coconut water. Fill it up, maybe about halfway. Slice up a lime and squeeze just a little bit of that in there. And to finish this off, I'm just going to put a couple leaves of mint. Mint is very strong, you don't need much. And then again, I'm doing this in this jar, so I'm just going to put this bottom on. pour this in a glass, and it makes a very refreshing summer drink. You can add a little of the sprig of mint in there if you wanted. Another really cool thing you could do with this, which is my personal favorite thing to do, is add a little bit of honey or sugar, just because when we freeze things, they lose a little bit of that flavor. And then put them in ice cube trays, or even in a freezer safe container, food storage container. If you put it in a container, you can scrape it and make a granita or an Italian ice. Or if you put it in the ice cube trays, you have these nice, refreshing, delicious ice cubes that you can use and enjoy in your summer beverages. But whatever you choose to try, the message is not to waste the rest of the watermelon. Have a great day.